Minecraft is the best-selling video game of all time. So if you were to make a YouTube channel based on any video game, Minecraft would be your best bet due to how many people actually know it. Back in the day, there was huge Minecraft YouTubers that were getting millions upon millions of views. But nowadays, there's even bigger YouTubers that are getting even more views. So the potential for Minecraft videos are only going up and up due to the game's rising popularity and nostalgia. And in this full tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make faceless Minecraft videos with AI that are similar to this other channel called Nerd Out. From the video that Nerd Out posts, they get 4 million views every single month. And in my estimate, based on this channel, I'm guessing that they're making anywhere from $20,000 to $30,000 every single month from these easy to make videos. And not only in this video am I gonna show you guys how to make these types of videos easily with AI, but I'm also gonna show you guys how to get massive head starts from all of your other competition on YouTube. Let's begin. Starting off, one of the biggest tools that you need when posting long form content is also posting YouTube shorts so that you can funnel all those short form viewers into your videos, getting extra subscribers and extra views. But here's the thing, you don't want to waste your time making YouTube shorts because then you're taking your time away from the long form videos that you should be making to grow your channel and to make money. However, using this new AI software that I have linked in the description below called VidAI, that's an AI video generator, you simply go over to New Project, go over to Faceless Short, and then right down here in Gameplay Video, you want to select one of these 3 Minecraft options right here. Now right here, I can put in my prompt, like for example, top 10 facts about animals, or my script, or I can even select popular topics right here. So I'm going to select on fun facts. Now I'm going to select on a narrator.
Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do.
So we're gonna go with Matt, and if we want, we can even add images to our gameplay right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, press on generate content, and now in just a couple seconds, VidAI is going to respond to me with my images right here. So there we go, we have our images. If I wanna regenerate some of these, like that one right there, I can simply go over here, regenerate, and press on proceed. And we'll give it a moment, and in just a couple of seconds, there we go. So that's much better right there. Then I'm gonna press on next, select background music. I usually like to select the Blade Runner 2049 music right here. That's perfect. And now you can use multi-words right here, but I usually like to use one words as a personal preference. I just think it looks better. There's so much more options, but I'm gonna hit on generate. And that just took me a couple of seconds to generate, and here is the finished result of what I made.
Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs over 3,000 years old. Honey's unique composition makes it resistant to bacteria and mold.
Now, I'm actually not allowed to show you this, but I recorded a secret video of co-founder and CEO of VidAI, Matt Parr, admitting some dark secret about VidAI right here. I'm gonna play it for you guys.
And yeah, so I've been working kind of closely with Priam. We've been talking about like how we're gonna be phasing out the old pricing and everything, and eventually we are gonna, bring the pricing up. So like the only thing that I asked is that if you could just not share that link at all, like the old $67 per month link or the discounts.
Basically what Matt Parr is saying is they're raising the price of VidAI to $99 a month because they're making a long form generator and introducing all these new type of short formats. But by buying it right now, you secure a lifetime discount. A lifetime discount. Even if VidAI becomes $1,000, you are still paying the old price forever. So by investing in VidAI right now in the description, you get a lifetime discount. However, now we actually have to make our long form video, and this is where we'll use TubeMagic, the best YouTube AI tool on the entire internet, specifically designed to make YouTubers' lives so much easier. So right now here on TubeMagic's main tool page, I'm gonna go to the micro tool section and press on channel name generator. Now I'm gonna say my channel is about Minecraft music videos. Right here, I'm gonna press on generate. And now what it's gonna do is it's gonna give me 3 names right here. Block Jams, Crafted Tunes, Pixel Beats. I can generate again or even put in a profile picture if I wanna see how it looks like with the subscribers and everything. But Crafted Tunes sounds perfect for this channel. Another tool you can use on TubeMagic is the video ideas tool right here, where you simply put in a channel's handle. So I'm gonna put in Nerd Out right here and press on generate. And now what it's gonna do is it's going to make me unlimited, unique, viral worthy video ideas based off this channel. So Minecraft Rap Battle Royale. There's a video idea right there. I'm gonna keep hitting generate again and again. So right here, it's going to give me another one in just a second. Call of Duty Zombies Rap. Obviously, I'm not doing Call of Duty videos, but I can always change this up. Like I can do Minecraft zombies rap, or just come up with other ideas based off these games, based off what's working within these channels. Spider-Man swinging through dimensions. I could do like Spider-Man Minecraft mob music video, and I could just keep on hitting generate again and again and get viral worthy video ideas. And some of them are actually Minecraft, like the Minecraft rap battle royale, because we're using a channel that does it in the gaming niche. Or you could just do another Minecraft music channel. It's super easy. There's so much tools that TubeMagic has. Another one is the keyword research tool right here. By simply putting in something like Minecraft and pressing on search, it'll give me the search volume, the competition score, and overall magic score of all things related to Minecraft. And I can simply go through magic score right here and research what's doing well in the Minecraft niche. So I can look at the competition score and then the search score. This is how much searches it's getting per month. So right here, Minecraft beta is getting 40,000 searches a month. The competition score is high, but remember, you're doing music videos, which most people don't talk about. In fact, you can actually search by search volume and go through here and just see what's trending recently. However, my favorite tool on TubeMagic is the warp upload tool right here. I can simply type in the context of a video. So I'm going to say a Minecraft rap battle royale or something like that. I'm going to hit on generate, and now it's going to generate me 3 titles right here, a description with amazing keywords and amazing tags that all help my metadata on my videos and give me a head start from all the competition on YouTube that are sitting there incorrectly optimizing their videos while you're doing it in seconds with AI. You're not spending 30 minutes tagging your videos. Now you just simply copy, and paste it in your video. Epic Minecraft Rap Showdown. That's an amazing title. Also this Battle Royale and Minecraft Rap Style. Well, these titles are amazing. If not, you can go back to TubeMagic's main tool page, go to video titles, and just type the same thing. Minecraft Rap Battle Royale music video. Right here, hit on generate, and now it's going to make me titles. I can just keep on hitting generate over and over again until I get a good title. Obviously, from those 3, I think that one of them is perfect. Now you can actually try out TubeMagic for an entire week for only $1 with the link in the description below. Yes, only $1 to try out all those tools I showed you. $1 by pressing on the link in the description below and trying out the best YouTube AI tool on the entire internet. Next, we're gonna use a website called Suno.ai. Now what essentially Suno is it's a music creator. Now right here, I can turn on custom and I can just type in my own lyrics, type in the style, and just do a bunch of other little settings right here. Or I can just simply type in the description for my song. Like for example, we're gonna do Minecraft Creeper Rap Battle against a Minecraft zombie. Let's do something like that. Now I'm gonna hit on create right here, and now from this prompt, it's going to make me my music right here. It's actually gonna make me 2 variations of my song. So it specifically made them as hip-hop electronic, but if I turn on custom, I can make any type of music. I can make country, I can make opera, I can make rap, anything I want, any type of music genre. So right here, let's listen to this. Doesn't that actually sound like a real song? That like gives me chills that that's an AI making that music. Let's try this other song right here. This is a different variation, so it's basically like the same script, I believe. Sounds so real. I'm a green menace, call me TNT pusher, blasting through walls, about to shut down this ambusher. I want to see real quick if it changes the voice when the zombie's talking. You never ceases, my drones a growl. Infectious bite leave you in a burial cow. Lucky ballers in the square trying to climb. Yeah, it actually does sound like a different voice. That's hilarious. Let's have some fun with this real quick and then we'll move on. I'm going to say an opera song about why TubeMagic is a great AI software tool. Right there, I'm going to hit on create. All right, it's done, so let's listen to it. With code so sharp and bright makes darkness turn to day. It made a whole entire opera song about TubeMagic, literally in seconds with AI. But once we finish our music, and you know, we can sit here and even just add our script our own, so we could write our own script. I'm going to go here and press on download. Download as MP3 if you want a smaller file, but if you want more high quality, WAV. So that's what I'm gonna do right there. Now that we have our song, we're gonna move into editing our video. But first, I wanna mention that we're hosting a completely free live training training that any of you guys can attend for completely free. The only thing is there's a limited amount of people who can actually attend, but you can secure your spot right now by pressing on the link in the description below and finding out the secrets to potentially 10x your growth on your channel, to potentially get more views, more subscribers that we are showing in this free live training that you can join with the link in the description below. It's a limited time only training. So now I'm gonna begin editing my video, and I'm using CapCut. I've recently started using it. I actually really like it. It's only like $10 a month and it's incredibly easy to use. And right here, I'm gonna start importing my audio that I made in Suno. Once it's been imported, I'm gonna simply drag it down here to the timeline. Now what I like to use is free to use Minecraft gameplay online, like this right here. This is 30 minutes of no commentary, and you can easily find something like this on YouTube. Just search up Minecraft gameplay, no commentary, and you can find free to use footage just like this. And I'm gonna conveniently just press Control B right here and delete this segment. So now my video is covered up with a visual, but I don't think this is enough. So what I'm gonna do is do a different method on top of this. Moving over to Discord, I'm gonna use the Midjourney bot. Now this is an AI image generator, and you can easily access it by joining the Midjourney server. And right here, I'm gonna type in /imagine. And now I'm gonna look at the lyrics right here. I'm a green menace, call me a TNT pusher, blasting through walls, about to shut down this ambusher. So basically what I'm gonna do is make a visual for that, maybe the creeper blasting through a wall. So I'm gonna type Minecraft creeper exploding wall, Minecraft style, AR for aspect ratio, and then 16:9. So it's the aspect ratio of a video, and I'm gonna press on enter right here, and now it's going to generate me my image within a couple of seconds. Now Midjourney has finished our images right here. So here we go. We have 4 different images. I really like this one right here because it's a distinct creeper head, but this one right here also works. In fact, all of these actually work, but I'm gonna upscale 4 for 1, 2, 3, 4, upscale this 4 image, U4 right there. And now it's gonna upscale the image, and I can just right click and save image. Now in CapCut, there's so much I can do right now. I can add text, effects, transitions, etc. But I'm actually gonna grab my image and bring it into my timeline. Then I'm gonna move my image to the lyrics of the song right here. Blasting through walls, about to shut down this ambusher. I'm gonna crop that right there. There we go. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press Control B, and then I'm gonna delete this right here and then bring down this image. I'm gonna go over to transitions right here, and I'm gonna put a transition on both sides. So we have simple transitions just like this that I'm going to throw in to this video. So now it's gonna look something like this. And I'm just gonna keep doing that with all the AI images I make in Midjourney, but I can even spicing these up even more. Using a software called Labs, I can simply put in my image right here. Now with my image inserted, I can go in and type in Minecraft zombies walking, for example, whatever the image shows. And I'm gonna press on this arrow right here. Now Labs is going to do is it's going to animate my photo and to make it into a video. So now these photos that I've made in Midjourney with AI are even better because now they're actual videos. Now Labs has made a video of our image, so we're gonna go over here and just hover over it and see how it's moving. That's super sick. It makes our photo so much better. And I can just hit on download right here and put that into my CapCut edit. So now it looks so much better because it's a video. What I can even do is add in a PNG of a creeper or a zombie on either side, so it makes it just that much easier. So I can simply just bring in a PNG right here, move it to the side right here, and boom, whenever the creeper's wrapping, I can just have this on the side while this background is almost like a visual for them, and then I can just transition to videos and photos that I make with Midjourney and Labs. Now what you can do next is simply copy the lyrics right here, like I'm a green menace, call me a TNT pusher. Go over to the text tab, go to text templates, and to look for something that would work. Let's try this one right here. We're gonna add that. And then I'm gonna paste in my lyrics right here, but I'm gonna make them a lot smaller. So I'm gonna make it like, let's say font 5 right there. Bring this down right here, and then I can make it start when the creeper's talking. I'm a green menace, call me TNT pusher. And all I would have to simply do is just copy this text and paste it again and go into Suno and just copy all my lyrics and go down and just fill it all out. But now your Minecraft video needs a really good title, one that people actually press. And the only way you can do that is by watching this video right here, how to generate amazing thumbnails using AI. This is a no-brainer tutorial that'll show you how to make better thumbnails that have a higher click-through rate than 99% of these other AI thumbnails that you see online. So go watch it right now.